Hey there. I am doing several pours today, and I was basically inspired by Art by Fars on YouTube. Her name is Farah Ali, and she's on, or Ali, and she's on Facebook as well in my group, and she has her own channel and everything. And I love her pours. They always turn out very vibrant and happy. So I did one that had multicolors with the black, and I felt like I wanted to do something with just the purpley blue colors, maybe throw in a bit of hot pink. And I mixed up, I've got one color left to mix, but these are Artist Loft Cerulean Blue, Creative Inspirations Ultramarine Blue, Creative Inspirations Purple Lake, Artist Loft Neon Pink with a bit of Quinacridone Violet by DecoArt, this one that I'm mixing now is Liquitex Basics, a touch of bright aqua green mixed with Artist Loft Emerald Green. So that's in my cup here. And I'm going to add Owatrol Easy Flow, which is in my other cups, a 1-to-1 ratio. And this has been pretty smooth, so I'm not going to strain this particular cup, but I'm doing a 1-to-1 ratio. It's kind of easier on a small cup to determine if you've got any flugers in it, because when you're stirring it will kind of stick to your stick. Owatrol Easy Flow graciously gives me product to demo, and I actually love the product. It's super smooth, self-leveling, high quality, kind of dries to a slight sheen. I just really love Owatrol. And I am super impressed with the quality of the product. It is a European company. You can only get it from Owatrol's website or on Amazon. And you can find under any of my videos, if you click on Show More on your laptop or on your mobile, if you click on the down arrow, it will show the list of products and colors and that kind of thing. And this is a mixture of water and 10% Owatrol. So 90% water, 10% Owatrol. It just mixes into your paint much easier by introducing a little bit of the Owatrol into the water. You can also do the same thing with Floetrol. This was a Gina DeLuca trick that I learned that I thought was fabulous. You want it to pour off your stick like warm honey in a steady stream. When you have that consistency, it's perfect. Now, I am a big proponent. I love OGX coconut milk. It is a particular kind of hair serum that has dimethicone in it. It is in my Amazon recommendations link under my video, as well as my heat gun and all the other products that I use, the paper, the butcher paper. This stuff is really fabulous. If you put a pump, that's way too much. When you have a cup, even a bigger cup, you just want one drop. So it takes very little OGX to make nice juicy cells. So you just stir it a few times, and that is all you have to do with OGX. One drop per color, not a pump. So what I want to do is do a quick little pour with these colors. And I do have Artist Loft White and Artist Loft Black that's in a cup that I'll be using for my base coat. I'm going to put just a pinch of white, and then my hot pink mixture. Then purple. Then I'll do the turquoise color, the cobalt blue, drizzle a little more white, do some green, I'll go back to the turquoise. Hot pink. Purple. I'll do this turquoise. Cobalt blue. Well, not cobalt, ultramarine blue. Drizzle a little white again. And that's it. I'm not going to put any more green in. So I'm going to flip this cup. Then I'm going to take my black. This is a Cool Tool by Wilton, which is a cake icing company. It's to spread icing and fondant with. It's plastic. It's called Easy Glide, I do believe. It's on my Amazon link below my video. And I'm just basically spreading this black out to the edge. This thing is super easy to use, and it really gives a nice smooth surface with your paint and your base coat. And it doesn't have to be black, it can be any color, but the last one I did, I thought, ooh, that looks kind of spacey. So I wanted to try these colors together just to see what it would come up with. I'm going to rinse this off real quick. I think I'm going to really like this one. I love the colors already. I am going to let it sit for a few minutes. That's the beauty of OGX, is being a little bit patient with it, because the cells grow on their own. They just do fabulous things, and you don't have to force it, and you don't have to rush it. So I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes. Okay. So I put the heat gun on it. It sat for 5 or 10 minutes. So if there's an area that you don't care for, if you gently blow in that area, if you can see something else trying to pop through, you can kind of bring it out a little bit. So that space of purple that I didn't care for, I brought out some other colors underneath, and I didn't really want the green out. So I can come back and even just, you know, dip some blue on it. Maybe a little turquoise. And help camouflage that green. I don't mind this other green. It's green is very strong and it will kind of take over. And so I've got enough. I don't want any more to really show through. I kind of wish the purple had come out just a little bit more. But that's okay. I love the green against the aqua and blue, just where it's very slight. But I can deal with the rest of this. It's pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with it. Let me turn that light off. So there's my other black pour inspired by Art by Fars, which is Farah Ali on Facebook. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my Facebook page down below the video, Instagram, there's a PayPal link, Patreon, which I would love for you to come and be a patron, and you can do it very inexpensively once a month, and you get little perks, and you get a Q&A video just for my patrons. If you go a little higher in the level, you'll get some one-on-one Skyping, that kind of thing. So please check it out. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.